it is, what it be, it's your girl Unique Marie coming back to you with another video. Today I cooked pasta, shrimp pasta, and what else?
And mussels.
Mussels.
And some noodles. That's
not noodles.
Chopsticks. What's these?
That's fettuccine.
Oh.
Fettuccine pasta. So yeah, so we eating pasta cooked by yours truly, Unique Marie.
And you fixed the tomatoes. These tomatoes.
Yeah, I put tomatoes in it. They seem
and shrimp.
So y'all, we want to thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all tell a friend, and make sure y'all roll them subscribers in. Watch the full video.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Let's eat, y'all.
So we're using chopsticks
for the ingredients. Look.
Y'all want a shrimp?
I need some juice. Hey, y'all want some mussels?
Good.
Like that? I already had a It's good. Ooh, that was so good.
We got pickles today, y'all.
It's good. Whoa, pasta. Ooh.
This, y'all look, my son mixing stuff together for him to eat. Good old mussels.
Good old mussels.
The mussels.
Look at the mussels. Look good. Mussels and the thing. Do my teachers be watching your videos?
I don't know. Ask them.
Okay. Y'all, next year, I'm probably going to a new school. Maybe two.
Yeah. Your mussels good, y'all.
Mommy gonna eat all the mussels. Ooh. That's so good.
That's that good butter sauce at the
I
bottom.
have 3. Let me put the other one back. Ooh. Look at that. Good made. Excuse me. Cracking shrimp. Ugh. Tips. So. No, it's sticking out. It's sticking. My mama sure didn't know how to use them. You know how to use chopsticks. My teeth coming out.
Which one?
But I eat too much. My teeth won't come out. Nice, mama. Don't eat all the mussels. Yeah, the mic had broke, so it was down here. Just put it in my mouth. That's so good. I was trying to make some. I was making it.
Oh, that's so good.
Do you know why I made this?
Made what?
This.
Why you made it?
Because I wanted to make it something real good. Let me eat it. This stinking, mama. I get a big one. Want some cookies? You want some cookies? Here, get that. Get that. This.
Yeah, this pasta is good.
They good. But look at that.
I hope all my Philippine
Oh, Mama, you
family
see that
is
burger?
watching.
That's salty.
Cause I did this one for y'all. Y'all was saying
I told you.
y'all love pasta, so another night.
I told you we're gonna be doing a big giveaway. I told you that. Now she got a giveaway.
No, that's
Oh.
I said 250
We need to go to
subscribers.
We need to go to 230. Oh, I thought 230.
If you don't know how to use them, use your fork.
Yeah. We got fork. Four.
You ain't even touched yours.
I did. Look. Watch, yeah, I'm gonna eat all of this stuff. Watch, like last time I ate all of my spaghetti. And last time I ate all of my I know you getting full.
Yes, I am.
We not even getting full. Cause I'm gonna eat all my food so I can slump. Why you always say
This is good. Yeah, I am a seafood lover. I love pasta. I love seafood.
Me
Anybody that know me know
See little crabs.
I'm a seafood lover.
Me too. Mom, can you do this? I be slurping on them mussels. I be
Hmm?
that be so annoying. Oh. Look, this is cute. Can you do that? Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna food too. I'm not just, we just watched the video. I'm not even full. Oh, excuse me. I'm not very hurt. Let's get these. I always get hungry.
You what?
I always get hungry.
Oh,
Oh, look at this.
now I'm trying to pick the pickle up.
Why is this red?
What?
This. Look, here go our look at my lips.
Right out of muscle. No. Oh, God.
And we have some butter sauce at the bottom.
It won't be so hard to open.
Woo, woo, woo. I'm almost done, y'all. Because we gonna still eat. I'm trying to eat slow. So good.
Yeah. This was banging. It was banging.
It's not full.
Good old water.
Water.
You almost done, son. There ain't no more mussels left. It ain't no more.
Oh.
It ain't no more.
Why you ate all of those mussels?
We all ate them. Oh, she found her one. Oh, this girl. Eat that pasta.
Eat that
That's
pasta.
what you eat. Eat that pasta.
Ew. So good, so good, good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Why is not coming out?
Drunk out of it.
Excuse me. Ooh. 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 You want to pause the video and get some more?
Huh?
You want to pause the video and get some more?
Some more what?
Pasta.
I'm full. Well, I ain't full, but I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. It's so good. And I love it. I made this out of ice.
So y'all, before we go, we just want to thank y'all for watching, right? Thank y'all for sharing. Make sure y'all watch the whole video. Make sure y'all tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, and keep them subscribers rolling in. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all so very much. Always remember, the sky is the limit. Whatever you put your mind to, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Look at y'all.
Do it. Stick it. Do it. Hey, do it. So y'all, we're going to end this video. We love y'all. We thank y'all. We see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Bye.